those rocks, huh? Chipping. Sticky ass tires. Gotta wake this car up. Shift or what?
The engine mounts probably get like.
Should I launch it, bro? I haven't launched it with these tires.
Really? Oh shit.
After quarantine, y'all gotta see this in person. This thing's looking so good. Today's move, we're gonna go ahead and remove this cold air intake that we kind of came up with, huh? We all came up with this one. Is like this eBay one.
Hey man, don't say that shit.
What?
But yeah, man, specialty, and we all just, you know, went with it.
Straight up.
Hey, it works though. It flutters nice.
It does. It does. You want to do it before and after? Oh, your car's hella cold, huh?
I'm down to go take it real quick.
To go warm up and.
Yeah.
All right, let's go hear this car real quick so you guys can see how it sounds.
Loud, bro. So, yeah.
For real, let's go take it for a spin. We're gonna go for a drive, warm up the car so you guys can hear the flutter. This intake pipe is aluminum and that intake pipe is silicone, huh?
Yeah.
So we'll see the difference. Yeah. Time to go home and swap the part out.
Yeah, hit it.
We're kind of just struggling on how the hell we were gonna attach these holes onto there. We don't have instructions. Does it come with instructions?
I mean, probably, but why?
I know, I'm just saying so I could just tell them, right? So I could just make a video.
Probably though, online.
Yeah. There's probably instructions online how to do it, but
YouTube. It's called YouTube.
It's called YouTube, or just watch us on YouTube. Anyways, so you see these little rubber things? You watch. Give me some pliers. Where the pliers at? Here's some pliers. You see those little taponcitos? Pull it in just like that. I gotta pull it out. Go.
Just like that.
And put a bolt in there.
Is it one of these, right?
Yeah. Put it on the bolt first. Just like that. That's good. Now push it in. Not too much. There you go. Just enough. Yeah.
Should be good.
Now put it in there. Back in there. You might expand it.
There you
Not too bad.
go. It might be a little too thick.
Just whoop. Right in.
Alright.
There you have it, just like that. Sweet. Whoa. I kind of lost clips. So, gotta go to Jairos' house and get some more clips. I'm always losing footage, man. I suck ass at saving. So, today's a new day. We kind of finished it up. Kind of lost some footage, but down there you can see we put those 2 bolts in, and then fitment came out pretty good, huh?
Better than expected.
Yeah, we went down to Carson and drove it, and it sounds the same, about the same, huh? But now you got the heat shield, so it should stay a little cooler.
Oh yeah, you can
Since it's
definitely
not
tell
in
too.
the, you know, you get that test pipe down there. This guy's not tuned. What should he go with?
Boost dynamic or yeah, JHM. Either or for sure. We're not doing no APR or anything else like that.
You want to shoot some flames?
Maybe.
I mean, why not, dog?
If I do it, I'm gonna blow out the turbo. I'm gonna be tempted to always do it like, hey, check this out.
Okay, no. But whoop, there it is. Show you guys. Pretty clean. Sheesh. Alright guys, I have nothing else planned to do today, so I'm gonna go ahead and take the opportunity and tell you guys my plans and my goals for this year, I guess. Those of you who've been following me on Instagram know that since day one I've always wanted a big turbo this car, and look where we're at. Actually, I wanted a big turbo this car, and then we came to this one, if you know what I mean. I don't want to clarify, but if I really have to, I will. We are gonna change the full color on the car, so. But for the engine wise, my future plans is to go ahead and get the TD05 from JHM Motorsports. Drew told me, he's the one who made the tune. He told me that on race gas he did about 408 wheel horsepower and 380 wheel torque, and that was really good, and that's down like in Lathrop. So that's my future plans for this year, to get my big turbo setup. If you guys don't know yet, I do have a clutch. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys do know that I post everything there. Like, I do have a clutch for this car. I know I haven't told anyone on YouTube, or maybe I have. I don't remember. If I have, I have. If I haven't, you guys can hear it now. I do have a clutch. It's a stage 3 clutch from JHM Motorsports. It comes with the RS4 pressure plate and a stage 3 clutch, ceramic, and comes with the lightweight flywheel that weighs about, who knows, I think it's like 12 pounds, a little like 12 pounds. I'll tell you guys the next moves for sure. I want to go ahead and get a front splitter. I want to do front end work, splitter, maybe a lip, canards maybe, not sure. Editor's gonna do canards, so we'll see how those come out. And we'll go ahead and do side skirts, lips, splitter, and the rear. If you guys really stay tuned to the channel, you guys don't want to miss this one, because the rear, it's gonna be pretty sick, man. That's all me. But yeah, front hood, this hood is kind of bent. I don't know if you guys can see it from down here. I want to go ahead and most likely, if I end up getting the hood someone's gonna have to sponsor me on the wrap, you know. But but you know, I'm gonna end up getting a hood. A carbon fiber is what I really want to do, but we'll see what happens. Those are my plans for the exterior. Exterior is pretty good. I need headlights. I do want to do some dope ass headlights for sure. Let me know if I should customize these. I can probably bring these back to life. I can fuck with the inside. Jairos was mentioning about removing the orange cap right there. A lot of custom shit that's going down within the next couple months. This month, it is my birthday month, and we are in quarantine, so I might just send it and do the clutch, maybe, not sure. But yeah, anyways, a lot of custom parts that I really want to do myself on this car on the exterior. And then interior, that's a whole nother chapter, guys. Whole nother chapter. Y'all ain't even ready for that one. Right now we gotta focus on exterior, since, you know, we're working on the exterior. But hopefully you guys are liking the build for sure. Since we won't get some cinematics here on the vlog, I'll go ahead and have them do some cinematics sometime this week, and we'll drop it on my Instagram, so follow down below. Also, before I end the vlog, I want to give a thanks to everyone who's been watching and supporting the channel. Y'all are freaking awesome and great. Keep watching the channel, keep supporting it. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Keep with the movement and stay lit, fam.